Hello and welcome to another update video on VeChain. So the VeChain chart remains, you could say, caught in this area down here, testing this trend line for the third time now. And it's the trend line that kind of keeps this price range intact, you could say. It's coming in currently at around 1.87 cents or 1.85 cents, this trend line. Today, while I record this video, there is not much movement in the market, but I wanted to just share with you that we've really approached a key spot here, or we've arrived at a key spot, because the price really needs to think about an upside reversal to broaden, to widen this wave 2 corrective rally. So we have a wave 1 down and a wave 2 to the upside. Could be unfolding still. So if there is another hot phase in the altcoin sector, if there is another bullish run for VeChain, a little bit of hopium here today, we would potentially see here a C wave to the upside, which can take us into this resistance area. But if it's really a simple wave 2 corrective rally, as shown here in blue, the market in this wave C of 2 might never really break above the resistance area, never above 5.8 cents. And to be honest, really looking at this as an ABC structure, the C wave might really only briefly break above the May high of this year. So we talk about 3.4 cents, maybe a little higher, 3.8, 4.5 cents. Would be realistic even in the blue scenario, which is the more directly bearish scenario. And but I have not yet seen really any strong evidence that a bounce in wave C to the upside has started. We would need to see a little bit more evidence, but honestly, this is now the time to do it, and the April low certainly should hold to keep that potential alive. So again, I can only repeat, I'm not looking for rallies to all-time highs or so. I see any rally that would develop from here potentially just as a corrective rally. If things go really well, the price might extend the wave 2. It's a slightly different pattern. It would mean that this larger degree wave 2, that in the blue count already topped in December, is actually still unfolding. In that case, the price might attempt to reach the upper resistance area, specifically the blue zone here, between 7.6 cents and 10.6 cents. But please note that on this chart, we have a 5-wave decline after a 3-wave rally into the 2021 highs. And then whatever this is, it's not impulsive to the upside. Yeah, best I can tell. You can interpret it as a kind of bullish A, B, C flat correction in my view. And of course, you can always find more bullish scenarios. The question is, how realistic are they after forming a 5-wave move down, right? So I think this kind of makes sense. Yellow, I can live with the yellow scenario, but the price would need to give us some evidence that this C wave to the upside has actually started. Yeah, for now, especially with, again, this deep retracement after the May high, it just indicates weakness. But this level could provide some strong support, so it might be worth paying attention. Any rally could be maybe seen as an opportunity to rather get out of a position if you have one. But yeah, I don't see a bullish case really. I told you what is possible from a bullish point of view and realistic. But then again, if we rally into the resistance area, it might even open the pathway here for a short trade when momentum breaks down again. So I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.